If you hate a phone with a screen notch, another alternative just beat the dust. The OnePlus 6 will have a notch. But if you're worried that the screen cutout will be as noticeable on the OnePlus 6 as it is on the iPhone X, you can relax a bit. OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei said the OnePlus 6's notch will be narrower because it won't include all the same sensors. OnePlus's upcoming phone is yet another phone to have a cutout in the center of the display to house its front-facing camera. OnePlus shared its first official image of the OnePlus 6 with The Verge and confirmed the notch design to us. OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei added that moving the display and notification bar further up the OnePlus 6 is what makes it possible to give the phone a 90% screen-to-body ratio. Twitter didn't take it kindly. Pei deleted his tweet in support of the notch. Learn to love the notch, it said. Perhaps due to backlash from OnePlus fans. We can't confirm the content of the original tweet. We saw it ourselves, but the negative comments are stricken from the public record, though some outcry from anti-notchers remains. Notches are one of the latest trends in phone design. Critics say the notches are ugly, or get in the way of watching full-screen videos and looking at pictures. But phone makers use them as a way to reduce dead space in the phone's front. Popularized by the iPhone X, phone makers from Huawei to Asus to Oppo replicated the design, and future phones such as the LG G7 are rumored to get notches too. Even Google is jumping on the bandwagon. The next version of Android OS, called Android P, will support notches too. As a nod to notch haters, Huawei's P20 and P20 Pro let you turn off the notch by blacking out the top corners. OnePlus declined to comment when we asked if the OnePlus 6 would have a similar option to erase the appearance of the notch in the phone setting. But what do you guys think? Do you like the notch design, or do you hate it? Let us know in the comment section below. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.